I don't think I've ever actually asked you, how do you get involved in the workers' comp?
So how I got involved in workers' comp was the opportunity to work here was for workers' comp. So
Fair enough. Fair enough. I understand.
And
that.
the thing that I really learned about workers' comp that I enjoy, it's very hands-on with your clients. I mean, you're dealing with clients that, they're getting a weekly check, they're getting medical expenses taken care of. You really engage with them. There's certain legal fields where, you sign up a case, you have a client, and there's really not much to do for months and months on end. But with workers' comp, that's not the case. You're pretty much involved on a weekly, if not daily basis, depending on what's going on with the clients. So I came in. Bennett had been doing workers' comp for over 20 years. He was a great teacher. Just kind of gave me a bunch of files and said, get to work. If you have any questions, let me know, and started figuring it out. Social Security disability was the same way. Ultimately, you didn't know that when I was in law school. I didn't take a Social Security disability class or anything of that nature, but these are really important for the things that I loved about the legal profession. Like you said, with the criminal attorney, just being there for someone, helping them out. I mean, in a workers' comp case, you've got someone who's been injured on the job. Now they can't work, they can't provide for their family in the way that they were. They need medical treatment. I mean, and they're worried. They're kind of scared for the future of themselves and their family, and you get to kind of stand in that gap between them and the big insurance companies. Social Security disability is the same way. Something has happened to someone, whether it was just one incident or it's some sort of debilitating disease that's gotten worse over time, and now they can't work anymore. And so it's, what do we do? Their whole the future is kind of hanging in the balance. And so both of these fields, I did not know that at the time because, again, I didn't have much practice in them previously, but now I've been doing it for 2 years, and those are my favorite things about them, is that the direct impact. You get to really help people and see it and see the results directly. I mean, you have clients that are just, you can hear the relief in their voice when you get a good verdict for them, when you get a good result for them. I mean, you can just see it. I mean, sometimes they will cry. Sometimes I can imagine. It's so life-changing to them just to have that relief and that the weight taken off of them. So again, I've been here for about 2 years. I'm glad that we were able to meet back up again. And now, so I'm going to kind of